Today we're going to demonstrate the setup of the NURIT 8320 and RDM check reader. Obviously we've already unboxed everything. The first thing you want to do is locate your combination cable. It's the long cable with the coils. That is step one. Step two, locate your power supply for the NURIT 8320 as seen right here. Step 3, we're going to attach the combination cable to the power supply, as such. In the next step, we're going to connect the combination cable to the NURIT 8320 by plugging the power into the power port and the phone jack into the port labeled line, as such. The combination cable should be plugged in as seen here. In the next step, at the other end of the combination cable, you're going to find the switching power supply here, and we're going to plug in the power cord that will go into the wall as such. Now the NURIT 8320 is complete. We're going to move on to the installation of the RDM check reader. In the next step, locate this short cable here with a phone jack on one side and a connection port on the other. The phone jack is going to go into the back of the NURIT 8320 in the port labeled RS232. Snaps in as so. The other end of that cable will go into the check reader into the COM port. Next, locate the gray phone cord. One end of this is going to go into the port on the NURIT 8320 labeled TEL LAN. In the next step, you're going to locate your splitter that on one side says DSL and phone, and on the other side has a jack that would plug into the wall outlet. You're going to take the gray phone line from the NURIT 8320 and plug it into the DSL line. In the next step, you're going to locate the other end of the phone jack from your combination cable, the black cable with the coils, and you're going to plug that into the phone line as such. In the next step, you'll want to locate the power adapter for the check reader and the power cord that's going to connect to that and then ultimately plug into the wall. The next step, the other end of the power adapter is going to plug into the red power point on the back of the check reader. You now have all your equipment connected. In the last step, take the jack from the splitter, plug that into where your current credit card processing machine is plugged into. Take the power cords from both units and plug those into the wall, and you are ready to go.